Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Alaska Airlines Error Code 1990. As per our research, the error comes when users try to make an online reservation or payment on the Alaska Airlines website. Users have reported that the payments don't go through, and they receive this error. According to our research, this error could be related to browser cookie issues, payment method problems, or other unknown glitches on the system's end. To deal with the error first, try using an incognito window to make your reservation. Some users have shared that using incognito mode helped bypass the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. You can also try clearing your browser cookies and then check if the error still comes. If the issue continues, try using a different card for the payment. A few users mentioned that their credit card failed due to some issue, but switching to another card worked. If the error still comes, then try using a different browser or device. There are some cases where the error only occurred on a specific browser, so switching might help. If none of these suggestions work, then you should reach out to the Alaska Airlines support team for help with the booking. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.